my first robot vacuum, and we do have mostly white interior design around the house, and that's why I decided to go with the white one. And this one actually does not come with a self-emptying station, and also guys, it's 2-in-1. It is a robot vacuum as well as it is also a robot mop. So definitely check out this brush. And yes guys, we do use these vacuums, so that's why they are not pristine, clean and new, but again, they work amazing. And you might have noticed this side brush, right? So this one comes with only one side brush, but it does come very close to edges and corners as well. And the brush is actually hybrid, as you might have noticed. And yes, the hybrid means that it is actually partially rubber and partially it is bristles. And you can see this white on bristles, right? And this is actually a super fine dog hair from my dog Gumby, guys. So again, it does a great job if you do have pets. And of course guys, it does come with the sensors. These are these black sensors. They are actually going to prevent your robot from falling down the stairs if you have stairs, right? So definitely make sure to check it out. And here is the directional wheel, and again, it moves your robot left and right. And yes, you might have noticed these wheels as well. So this is what actually ensuring the climbability of your robot. And when experimenting with Roborock, it says that it climbs up to 0.8 inches, and that's very accurate. This is the mopping attachment, and it does come with the velcroed in mop that actually connects perfectly on top of the water tank, and you can of course take it out easily and put it in your washer and dryer. And yes, we had this vacuum for 6 months now, and again, it does come with only one mop, but again, look at this condition is almost like new, right? And again, I do add just a drop of them of this detergent, because it also makes a big difference, and makes your house smell beautifully. So yes guys, how you would do it, you would just snap it on the back like this, as you might have noticed. And yes, now your robot is actually a robot mop. And again guys, Roborock also comes with them sophisticated navigation system, and you can create all of them area isolations, as well as you can do your scheduling. And yes guys, so you can see right now, this is the map, and you can see their most recent cleaning that it's did. And yes, so you can see the exact path. It came to our master bedroom, master bathroom, and then the closet. The blue is the closet, the yellow is the bedroom and bathroom, and the red is a no-go zone on the side, right? So you see this big difference, and you can see exact path in white that the robot did. And yes guys, so that area the robot cleaned in 23 minutes, right? So again, 100% for you, hands-free experience. And yes, to create a zone, like you can see we already have one, you would just have to move that square up and down, left or right. You can make it smaller or bigger, right? So that's exactly what you will do. And then you can also select room by room cleaning. So for example, if I want to send my Roborock in a kitchen only, I can easily do that. And you see here we actually have a kitchen and a living room in one color, as well as the master bedroom, bathroom, closet, no-go zone. Everything is color coordinated, so it's very easy for you to see exactly what to clean.